Well, good morning, afternoon, evening, whatever it is for you, okay? Today's math lesson is simple, okay? I want you to go hike, and all I want you hike or walk, whatever you want to do with your parents, okay? And let one of them, okay? And you get obviously you need to get permission, okay? And your math lesson is this simple, okay? Keep track of the distance you go, okay? Keep track of the distance you go. And then I'm going to have a question that says, how far did you walk or how far did you hike? If you want to bike, that's cool too. Okay, how far did you bike? Okay, and I just need the distance, how far you biked or hiked. Now, here's the catch. Okay, here's the catch. Here's the math part of it. Okay, here's the math part of it. You need to tell me. Okay, so let's just say you are hiking and you can use your parents probably have some sort of cool thing on their phone that they can track your distance. Okay, that's my guess. One of them does. Okay, if not, maybe you could look at a book that, or on the internet about how the distance of a hike is. Okay, but either way, okay, I'd like you to try to figure out your distance, not in, oh, it was about 3 miles, but let's say I go for a run and on my watch, okay, it's if your parents have an Apple Watch, they definitely can do this. They just start their workout, right? And I start my workout, my hiking workout, okay. I hit start, okay, and then it goes, and then it tracks me how far I go, okay. And I'm hiking, and it's gonna give me a decimal number, okay. When I finish, I end my workout, okay. And let's say it gave me 3.2, okay? I want you to tell me, what does that number actually mean, okay? Well, that number means 3 and 2/10 of, okay, 3 and 2/10, okay? So that's what that means, 3 miles and 2/10 of a mile, okay? So you wouldn't need the and there, just 3 and 2/10, okay? If you did 3.6, I want you to tell me how far you hiked in a decimal and as a mixed number, okay? So super simple, okay? Hike or bike, and a lot of bikes might have that little cool little odometer thing that tells you how far you went, and it might give you a number like maybe you biked 6.7 miles. What does that even mean, okay? So then I'll just do a simple Google a question like your devotionals, and all you gotta do is type this as your answer, okay? So 3.2 equals 3 and 2/10, but you would have to write it like this, okay? 3 spacebar 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 and then 2 \10, okay? So in this one, okay, because you're not going to be able to type it like that on your answer. 6.7 would be 6 and 6, spacebar, 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 7/10. Okay? So you get to go exercise for your math lesson today, because you know what we would be doing? We would be hiking, and we would be hiking a little over 3 miles on a fun hike that we always have done to the end of the 4th grade year to celebrate. So go celebrate the end of your 4th grade year by hiking like we would have normally done anyways. If you want a really cool trail, go up to Flat Top or Glen Elps parking lot, okay? And you can pay to park up there even with a credit card. They got a cool little machine now, okay? And then go down Powerline Pass and hike down Powerline Pass. And really fun thing, okay, if you brought 2 cars, okay, you park a cart and you're going to finish at Prospect Heights Trailhead. So maybe what you could do is you could drive over with 2 cars with your parents, okay, or maybe if you have a group of friends that you now are socially hanging out with at your social distancing, okay, you park your car, one of them, at Prospect Heights Trailhead, and then you drive up to Flat Top, Glen Elps Trailhead, and you start hiking, and then you go down Powerline Pass. It's a little over 3 miles, okay, and you get to Prospect Heights Trailhead. You finish there. Maybe you could bring a lunch and eat a lunch there, bring a Frisbee, play some Frisbee somewhere along the way. There's some cool open areas you can stop and play. That's what we would have done today, okay, and I encourage you guys to go do that, get some exercise. It's a super fun hike, and when you get to the bottom, you can see how far you hiked. And then let me know that in your Google question, okay? hopefully you have fun on that hike. That's a great one to do. Otherwise, another fun one is out at Kincaid. Maybe you could start right at the Kincaid Chalet and you can hike down the bike path. And when you go down the bike path, you'll get down the hill and it will turn. And then right towards the end, when you get it close into the water to the inlet, there'll be a sign that says Kincaid Beach, and you can hike down a trail and go down to the beach. And maybe you could go hang out and have lunch or a picnic on the beach and track how long of a hike that is, okay? So, happy hiking, okay? We'll see you next fall, kids. Have an awesome day.